Okay. Now, good morning. Yesterday we started with a new lesson in chapter 5 in volume 2, not volume 1, lesson 4, that's talking about the divisions of decimals by whole number. We learn how can we divide any decimal number by whole number. Now all of you please open your book page 309 and 310. Yesterday we started we learn how to divide. First of all, we divide the ones, then the tenths, then the hundredths. And I think we solved up to number 3. Now number 4. We stopped here number 4, is it right? Okay. Now I will solve number 4 with you in order to remind you how to solve it. Then I will ask the girls to help me. Yeah, number 4. Let's remind you, what did we do yesterday? Here we have 3. I'm sorry. Here we have 2.52 divided by 3. The first step, what did we do? We said that I will divide the ones. 2 divided by 3. Can I? No. So I will write 0. Why? Every time if you find that the number, the dividend is less than the divisor, so you cannot divide it. You cannot share 2 apples into 3 girls. So you can't. So you will write 0. Then 0 times 3 is 0. So after I divide the ones, I will subtract now, and the remainder is 2. Then after 2, what did I see here? Oh, I see points, decimal point. So I will write it here. Then I will call 5 down. Then 25 divided by 3. How can I know? You will write the multiplication table of 3. You will say 1 times 3, 2 times 3, 3 times 3, 4 times 3, and 5 times 3, 6 times 3, 7 times 3, 8 times 3, 9 times 3. Then you will write the answers. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, and 27. Then you will ask yourself, what is 25? 25 is between 24 and 27. Here is 25. So, okay, I will see now. Now, what is the number that is less than 25? Is it 24 or 27? It is 24. So then I will say, what is the number that I multiply it by 3? I get 24. I saw that it is 8. So I will write 8 here. Now then, 8 times 3 is 24. Then 5 minus 4, 1, 2 minus 2, 0. Then I will call down the 2. Then 12. What is the number here? Hey, is it 12? It's here. It says a 4 times 3. So I will write up here 4. Then 4 times 3 is 12. And then the answer is 0. So first of all, you will divide the ones, then divide the tens, then divide the hundreds. Do you have any question? Okay. Now, yes. Yes. Who says that? No, I didn't call anyone. Yeah, okay. Now, did you finish writing? Yes. Page 311. Okay. Now, yesterday we stopped at Jumana. Yes, Jumana. Jumana, are you here? Just a minute. Sorry? Yes, it doesn't matter. Still the same. Yes. Yes. On Thursday, we don't have math. Okay. Did you finish writing now? Today is Tuesday. I mean, on Thursday, there's no math class. No problem. Yeah. Now, number 5. Yes, yeah, Jumana. Are you here? Jilan? 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 Okay, Jilan. Yes, Jilan. Here, number 5. 27 divided by 27. How many 27 in 97? Okay, let's try number 4. Yeah, 4 times 7. No, 4 times 7. Wait. 4 times 7. 28. Then 4 times 2 plus 2, 10. So is it working? No. So what do you have to do next? Make a 3. Yes. Yeah. 3 times 7. 21. Bravo. Plus 2. 8. Yes. Then 7 minus 1. Bravo. Yes. Then what do you have to do next? Before that, what do you have? Something small. Add the decimal point. Bravo. Then you will call 2. Then how many 27 in 162? 4? No, I think it's greater than 5 times 7, 35. Let's try 6. Okay. Because 6 times 7, it's 42. And the ones is 2. So maybe it's working. Do you know why I said 6? 6 times 7 is 42. So the ones here is 2. And the ones here is 2. So maybe it's working. Yeah. Bravo. 60. So now the remainder. Bravo. 0.6. Thank you. Thank you a lot, Jinan. Page 311.
Okay.
Yeah. Now after Jilan, I want Huriya. Huriya. هناك. Yes, هناك. Here in number 6, you have 7.71 divided by 3. So, yeah. It's nearest. Yeah. So here, 3 times 2 is 6. Bravo. Then what do you have to do next? Bravo. Then, yes. 17 over 3. Yes, bravo. Yes. Yeah, bravo. The next. Bravo. Bravo. So, thank you. $257. Thank you. After هناك I want Hanin. Hanin. Yes, Hanin. Number 7. 79.8 divided by 14. يلا. هلا first of all 1 times 14. So 1 times 14 is 14. 2 times 14 is 28. 3 times 14 is 3 times 4, 12. 42. 4 times 16. 40. يلا. Now 79. Between which two numbers? Bravo. So it is near 70. So it's 5 times 14. يلا, continue. 5 times 4. 5 times 4. 20. 5 times 1. Plus 2. 7. Thank you. Then subtract 9 minus 0, 9. 7 minus 7, 0. Then what do you have next? Decimal point. Here. Put it up. Then next, what do you have to do? Haneen, what do you have to do next? You will call 8. 98 divide by 14. From here. 7, bravo. Then 7 times 4, or 7 times 14, as we said here, it's 98. So what's the final answer? 0.7. Thank you. Yalla. Now, number 10. Just a minute. After Haneen, I want Hala Bashar. Hala. Isra Bakr. Dina. Yes, Dina. I want you now to help me to solve number 10. Okay, but first, did you finish writing? Okay, yalla, I'm waiting you. Sorry? Do you have a problem in dividing in long division? You mean like 7, how many, and you don't know what is the number that you have to multiply it by 14 to get 79? Okay, what did I did here? Here I wrote the multiplication table of 14. I write 1 times 14, 2 times 14, 3 times 14, up to 7 times 14. Then here the number is 79. Where is 79? Tell me, between which two numbers? Bravo, between 70 and 84. So you will take the last one, which is 70. Now, here the divisor is 14. So what is the number that you multiply it by 14? You get 70. 5. So you write 5 up. Then you will multiply 5 times 14. It will be 70. Then you will subtract 7 minus 7, 0, 9 minus 0, 9. Then you will put the decimal point up. Then you will call the 8. Then 98. You will come back here. What is the number that you multiply it by 14? You get 98. 7. You will write 7 up. Then you will multiply. Then you will subtract. That's it. طب see now how Hala will not Hala, sorry, Dina, how she solved this the next one. Okay, and after it I will ask you to solve with me. Number 11, it will be with you. Yes, Hala. Yes, Dina. Number 10. Let's see, just a minute. Yes, sorry. Yes, أيوة now. Here, yes, as you said, we look at the multiplication table of 14. So here we reached 7 times 14. Then 8 times 14. It will be 112. 9 times 14. 126. Yeah. And 10 times 14 is 140. So 107, 137. It's between which two numbers? Bravo. Now 126. Is this the less than 137? So what is the number that you multiply it by 14, you get 126? 9. Bravo. So you start here with 9. Then 9 times 4. 36. 9 times 1 plus 3. 12. 6 minus 7, 7 minus 6 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. So first, after you multiply, to subtract, then you have to subtract. Then the next, what do you have to do? But first of all, what do you have here? Yes. Yes. Let's come back here. 112. Okay. What is the number that you multiply it by 14? You get 112. Here, from the multiplication table of 14, what's the number that you multiply it by 8, by 14, sorry, you get 112. 8, bravo, so you are right, 8 up. 8 times 4. 32. 8 times 1 plus 3. 11. Thank you so much. So what's the answer will be? Bravo, 9.8. Yes, and the remainder is 0. Thank you so much. Yes, Noor. Look here, yeah. Start with 5. لا, just a minute. 7. 5, can you divide in 34? No. 52. Can you divide by 34? Yes. How many 34 in 52?
2.
See, 1 times 34 is 34. 2 times 34 is 68. Yeah. أيوة. So it is here, somewhere here. So what did you take, 34 or 68? Yeah, so what did you take? The list, what is the list than 52? 34. So what is the number that you multiplied by 34, you get 34? 1. So then 1 times 4 and 1 times 3, 3. Yeah, continue. Then you have to what? After multiply, what do you have to do? Yeah, wait. After multiply, you have to subtract. So here it will be what? 12. And here it will be 4. Now you take 1 from the 5, 12 comes 4, and 10 it will be 2, it will be 12. Then next, 12 minus 4, 8, and 4 minus 3 equals 1. Thank you. Then next, what do you have to do? No. Oh, we finished. What do you have to do next? No. After 52, what do you have here? You have a 3. Here. So what do you have to do with this 3? No, call it down. Put 3 down. Okay, hello, we finished. That's hundreds, that's tens. But then we have something here, which is number 3. Don't miss it. Now, 183. Hello, we continue. 3 times 34 is 102. 4 times 34 is 136. 5 times 34 is 70, 170. 6 times 34 is 213. So now, so it will be between 170 and 204. Okay, so what did you take now? You will take 170 or 204? Bravo. What is the number that you multiplied by 34, you get 170? 5. You will put 5 up. Bravo. Yalla, 5 times 4, 20. 5 times 3, plus 2, 17. Then what do you have to do next? Bravo. Yeah. 3 minus 0, 8 minus 7, 1. Then next, what do you have to do? The decimal point. Bravo. Then what do you have to do next? No, what about 6? You will call it down. Don't forget it. She will cry if you forget it. You will call the 6. Yeah, 136 now. Where is 136 here? What is the number that you multiplied by 34, you get 136? Here, 136. What is the number that you multiplied by 34, you get 136? 4. So you write 4 up. Then 4 times 4, 16, and 4, it will be 136. So the remainder is 0. Did you understand it now? Yeah, you need a lot of practice. Now, number 12. Let's ask. Let's hurry up, please. Okay. Zain Sham, are you here? Zain. Yalla Lana, okay. Here, number 12. There's a number. When you divide it by 5, you get 1.21. What is the dividend will be? What do you have to do? Divide it by 5, you get 121. طب see, I will give you now a small example. If you have 25, oh sorry, no. There's a number. Divided by 6, you get 30. You get 5. Sorry. How do you know what is the number? That when you divide by 6, you get 5. There's a number, unknown number. When you divide by 6, you get 5. What's the number? Aywa, 6 multiplied by 5 give you 30. So that means 30 divided by 6 give you 5. So in order to know what is this number, you have to multiply 5 and 6. When you multiply them, you get the 30. Wait, for this one, for the 30. So what do you have to do? Here, you have to multiply the 5 by 121 to know the answer. It's like this. Here you have 121, here you have 5, and here you have unknown number. How can you know what is the unknown number? What do you have to do? We multiply. Bravo. Yeah. 1 times 5, 5. 5 times 2, 10. 5 times 1, 5 plus 1, 6. After how many decimal points you will, after how many digits, sorry, you will put the decimal point? Okay, with how many digits? 1, 2. So how many digits? Yes, it will be here. So the unknown number is 6 and 5. Thank you, Lana. Okay, now I will choose. Who want to answer now? Number 14. Yes, Hunada. Yalla Hunada. See here. See Hunada. Here in number 14, like you have number 56. I told you now, 56 divided by something is it. How do you know what is this number? How do you know? Just wait, Muna. Let's hear answer. Yes, Hunada. Divide what by what? Bravo. Should you know that what is the missing number, she will divide 56 by 8 in order to know what is the missing number. Here you have the same. You will divide 34.1 by what? By 22. Here, I'm here. Then, yeah, 34 divided by 22 is? One, bravo. 1 times 22 is 22. Then, yeah. Then what do you have to do next? Aywa. Then, yeah. Then 121 divided by 22. Yeah, try 6. 6 times 2. 12. 6 times 2. Is it working? No. So let's try 5. Less than 5, 6, which is 5. Yeah. 5 times 2. 10. Then plus 1, 11. Then 0. Then next here, what do you have? The remainder is what? Is 11. Let's see. Just a minute. If you want, because we want to continue without remainder. So what do you have to do? Here they told me write the number without the remainder. So in decimal only, when you divide decimals and you will reach or you found there's a remainder, just add 0. Okay? So 110 now divide by 22 will be another 5, like here. 5 times 22 is 110. Okay, just in decimals. In the long division, you mustn't add 0. If you add any 0, you have to add a decimal point. Inshallah, in grade 6, we will talk about it. But if you have a decimals, okay, and you have you didn't continue, just add a 0 without make anything. Just add 0 and continue. Okay, this is something somehow hard. I will not ask you like this, but this is just an extra information. Okay, thank you so much. Now the period is finished. If you finish writing, you can leave the meeting. Bye-bye.